Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Myself Sheikh Firdaus, and today we are going to study or we are going to discuss about the planetary mixer. So let's start. So first we are going to see its principle. The mechanism of the mixing is the shear. The shearing will going to be applied in this machine. The shear is applied between the moving plate and the stationary wall. The moving plate is this plate will going to be moved, and the wall or the vessel through the mixing will going to be take place will be the stationary. We are going to see this in details in further slides. The mixing arm moves around its own axis. The speciality of this paddle is its move around its own axis and around the central axis of the whole vessel. For an example, the Earth revolves around the sun and it rotates itself too. This is can you can relate this with this paddle. That paddle moves through it and through the vessel or the bowl, through like this also and through like this also. The plates in a blades are sloped so that a powder makes an upward movement to achieve a tumbling actions too. Now we are going to see its construction. The planetary mixer bowl is made up of the stainless steel. This bowl is made up of the stainless steel. The mixer bowl is divided into the upper cylindrical section and a lower hemispherical section. This is the hemisphere and this is the cylindrical upper section and the lower section. It is most commonly used beaters are the batter, wire whip and a hook whip. You can see this is a hook whip, this is the whipper, and this is for the mixing purpose. From this hook the kneading can be take place, and from this the whipped cream can be whipped through this, and this paddle is for the mixing of the mixture. The planetary mixture are provided with a high speed. In the center of the bowl, scrapers. You can see this is a scrubber. So the use of this scrubber is to wipe any material which may stick into the internal surface of the bowl. If any material is going to stick over here in a wet or in a dry mixture, it will going to be stick over here and can't be rotate through the all mixture. So this scrubber will going to escape through it so that it will going to come to all of the mixture. For small size mixer, the lifting and the lowering of the bowl is through the manual arrangement. In a small size mixer, that is for the household purpose or a small purpose, so this paddle can be removed or disattached by the knob which is providing over here, so we can uplift and remove that paddles. And for the large purpose, for the industrial purpose, the motor along with the beater using a motorized or hydroelectrically operated mechanical arrangement is used. And there is a facility of the movement of the bowl away from the machine using a suitable trolley with the wheels. You can see this is a trolley over here and this is a wheel. In an industrial sector, they move this bowl from the paddle to take out our mixture, to discharge our mixture from that bowl. Now we are going to see its working. See, this one is for the small size or the household purpose or the small purpose, and this one is the industrial one. So we are going to see this. The planetary mixture works on the homogeneous mixing action. The material to be mixed is loaded in this bowl and this bowl. The low speed are used for the dry mixing with the less dust generation, and the fast speed is the wet granulation and kneading purpose. The bowl is secured to the semicircular frame at the time of a mixing, and these beaters or the paddles can be cleaned completely by removing the from the vessel, or by rotating the blades in the vessel loaded it. Means by you can we can clean this by removing it, or we can clean into it by adding the solvent or a water. And after the mixing is completely, the bowl is lowered and can be easily discharged. This bowl can be go up and the down for the discharge of the particles or the mixture. So this bowl can be uplifted, or we can put it down too by this. So we can remove our product from this bowl, and we can also disattach this paddle by using this knob. So we can uplift that machine, and this will going to become like this. So the paddle is like this, so we can remove this paddle, and we can take out our material. The mixed content are discharged either by hand scooping from the hand scooping, or through the bottom discharge value, or by the hydraulically operated automatic discharge system. This point is talking about this machine. Now we are going to see its advantages. There are virtually no dead space in a mixing bowl. The every That paddle covers every space of that mixing bowl. So it's the so that the batter is more homogeneous, and it is relatively inexpensive and versatile in application. The higher shear causing the breakdown of the aggregate. If the aggregate form of the solid, so that due to the higher shearing, we see in our principle that the mechanism work to for the sharing on the sharing one. So due to the sharing, the aggregates that form, in case if the aggregate form in the mixture, so due to the high sharing, it will going to be breakdown. So this is the one main importance. The noise and the vibration level are low due to the use of the insulating materials. It exhibit a higher level of the hygiene products, and the mixer is easy to clean. The equipment has a long durability, and it is made up of the high quality stainless steel. The being a compact equipment, it required the less space. The disadvantages: the equipment generate a heat which may be unsuitable for the proper mixing. When handling high viscosity material, the energy required is more. If the solvent is a highly viscous, so the energy will going to be required more to for the proper mixing. As the equipment consists of a moving part, maintenance is required. We see in the construction and working that how the paddles removed, and how the bowl goes uplifted, and we can bring it back, or the paddle can be disattached through it. So the moving part is there, so for that the maintenance is required. As the labor requirement is more, the process cost is so high. To remove the paddle or the bowl, and the discharge of the element to remove it, so for that the labor requirement is more. Now last, we are going to see its application. The single planetary mixture has a common application in a pharmaceutical for the ointment, mixing of the drugs, and the food purpose for the bakery one, for the dough, kneading the dough or the dough formation, for the beating purpose, for the whipping the cream. In a bakery purpose, it has very much advantages. And chemical and cosmetic industries, the planetary mixture are used for the wet and dry solid material mixing. This is a one most important application, that is it can be makes the material wet and dry solid solid material. Both can be mixed properly in this planetary mixers. The single planetary mixer is used for the mixing of the light paste, gel, dough that we already talked about. This mixer is commonly used in a food and bakery industries. These mixers are designed for the intensive mixing, dispersing, kneading, high costs, pastes, coating, and different type of the advantages is there of this mixer. And the similar product of the medium to the high viscosity, it also makes the material which having the high viscosity, but it needs a more energy to mix the viscous material. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone for listening me. Bye.